Hello friends, today we will see more examples on change of integrations, that is Cartesian form to polar form. Now the example is change to polar coordinates and hence evaluate integration from 0 to 2, 0 to under root of 2x minus x square x dx upon under root of x square plus y square. Now let the given limits are. See, the inner limit is 0 to under root of x terms are present. That means this is the limit for y. So y is equals to 0 to y is equals to under root of 2x minus x square. From this equation, on squaring both sides, we get y square is equals to 2x minus, shifting of after that we get x square minus 2x plus y square is equals to 0. Adding 1 to both sides, it becomes x minus whole bracket square plus 1 square y square is equals to 1. Hence this is the equation of circle center at 1 0 with radius 1 unit, and x varies from here 0 to 2. X is equals to 0 to x is equals to 2 are these are the equations of line which are parallel to y-axis. X is equals to 0 is the equation of y-axis and x is equals to 2 is the parallel to y-axis. Now according to these two lines and this circle, we can draw here circle center at 1 comma 0, radius is 1 unit, so here this distance is 1 unit, this distance is 1 unit, here is the point 2 comma 0, because 1 plus 1 become 2 here, line is x is equals to 2, this passing from this here, so therefore this is your regarding the equation. Now for a circle having center at x-axis, r varies from 0 to 2r cos theta. Here radius r is equals to 1, so therefore it is 2 cos theta, and theta varies from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. That is the standard condition which we have seen in previous lecture. So therefore now the limit of equations become here I is equals to integration from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, 0 to 2 cos theta. Now here the region is distributed into two parts, that is two equal part here. The region is distributed into two equal parts. Therefore if we consider only in positive quadrant, so the limit become here 0 to pi by 2. So therefore 0 to pi by 2, 0 to 2 cos theta r into cos theta dr r dr d theta upon x square plus y square. X square plus y square means r square r sin theta square plus cos r cos theta bracket square, that is only r square here. So here under root of r square is equals to r, 1 r get cancelled, so remaining only r cos theta dr d theta. First of all integrate with respect to r. So therefore integration 0 to pi by 2 cos theta d theta from integration 0 to 2 cos theta r dr. R's integration is r square upon 2. Therefore integration becomes 0 to pi by 2 cos theta r square upon 2, 0 to 2 cos theta. Apply the upper limit only because lower limit is 0, and for 0 square it is equals to 0. So 1 by 2 is constant outside, therefore 0 to pi by 2 this cos theta as it is into d theta, then 4 2 cos square is 4 cos square theta, so therefore this become here 4 outside, 4 2s are 2, that is 2. This will be cos square into cos, that is cos cube theta 0 to pi by 2. Therefore as n is equals to odd number, therefore by reduction formula this integration is 2 into 2 by 3 into 1, so that is 4 by 3. So in this way we can convert the given integration into polar form and simplify. When we transfer it to polar form, generally they may be converted into sine power or cos power or sine cos both power there, so that we can apply reduction formula. Here the region is considered totally depend upon the diagram. See the limits, try to identify the equations, and after that getting the equation you can draw the diagram and find out the limit. In this way we can find the limit of given integration. Next question is now show that the area of the region included between the cardioids r is equals to a1 cos theta and r is equals to a1 cos minus cos theta is a square by 2 3 pi minus 8. Now here in this equation we already given there are two cardioids, and we have to prove that the region between that two cardioids is a square by 2 3 pi minus 8. That means you know the what is the value of last output. Now common region is symmetrical about, we know that the both the cardioids are symmetrical about the initial lines and the line theta is equals to pi by 2. Hence we find the area in positive quadrant. Now see the diagram. Now if we see here, this is our region, this is our first cardioid, means that is 0. This is the first cardioid, second cardioid from this side, and after getting joining this two cardioid, here is the common region which are shown here. Okay, then hence we find the area is distributed into four quadrants. See here, this form a circle, this form a circle, this circle is distributed into two parts, this circle is distributed into two parts. So this is our upper, first, second, third and fourth. Four quadrants are, so the total area is distributed into four equal parts. That parts are nothing but our four quadrants. So we can simplify into one quadrant and multiply by it then by 4. So therefore required area A is equals to, as it is due to converted into four parts, so therefore 4 0 to pi by 2 1 by 2 r square dr is equals to 2 times 0 to pi by 2, 2 4s are 2. So therefore the 0 to pi by 2 a square into 1 minus cos theta square d theta. So therefore we are taking here limits, r varies from here 0 to 1 minus cos theta. So therefore r square is 1 minus cos theta square. So take its expansion, a square is constant, so 2a square is outside, 0 to pi by 2 1 minus 2 cos theta cos square, a minus 2 a square minus 2ab plus b square by applying the condition. Now take its integration with respect to theta. So once integration is theta, cos integration is minus 2, cos theta's integration is sin theta, then cos square's integration is now by taking its take its integration directly by using a reduction formula. So the integrations are 1 with respect to theta, that is pi by 2, minus 2 into sin pi by 2 is 1, and this 1 by 2 into pi by 2. So therefore this become a square upon 2 here, 2a square as it is. Simplify the terms, this will be pi by 4, pi by 2 minus 2, so a square by 2, 3 pi by minus 8. So hence we prove that the area between these two cardioid is a square by 2, 3 pi minus 8. Secondly, find the common area to the circle x square plus y square is equals to a square and x square plus y square is equals to 2a square. Now see the first equation of circle. This is a circle having center at origin with radius a unit. This is the circle having center at along x axis with radius a unit. Now so we first draw the sketch. First of all consider the equation I have considered here. So if I consider this to be here, so it become here. So this is the center, this circle having center at a0 with radius a unit. So by applying this way, now this is circle first I draw here, then this is second circle having center at a unit comma, and by this way this is the line that theta is equals to pi by 3. So we draw this sketch. We change the polar problem to polar form. First the equation of circles are r is equals to a and r is equals to 2a cos theta, because this having center at x axis and this having center at origin. So therefore r is equals to a, to r is equals to 2a cos theta. At the point of intersection we have a is equals to, because r is equals to r, so therefore a is equals to 2a cos theta. So simplify this, theta is equals to 1 by 2, so theta is equals to pi by 3 here. Therefore the point of intersection shows that this point is theta is equals to pi by 3. Hence from this we get now here to find the required area. Area is equals to, area is distributed into two parts, so therefore 2 times integration from 0 to pi by 3 0 to a r dr d theta plus 2 times integration from pi by 3 to pi by 2, because we are considering in second quadrant, fourth quadrant, 0 to 2a cos theta r dr d theta. So by this way we get now here integrations now to 0 to pi by 3 d theta, 0 to a r dr plus 2 times pi by 3 to pi by 2. Lower and upper limits are changed. R square by 2, 0 to 2a cos theta d theta. Apply the limits now. So theta d theta's integration is only theta, so therefore upper limit it, so therefore pi by 3. This become r square integration is a square by r square by 2, so a square by t plus pi by 3 to pi by 2 4a square cos square theta d theta. Now here 4a is a constant term, so out of that I have taken 2a square to be common. So 2 cos square theta is 1 plus cos 2 theta d theta. Then here 2 get cancelled, pi into a square, pi square by 3 here. Then pi a square by 3 2a, Then take its integration theta plus cos 2 theta's integration sin 2 theta upon 2 pi by 3 to pi by 2. First term is as it is, then function with upper limit, that is pi by 2 plus sin pi by 2 to get cancel sin pi 0, so therefore this will be minus pi by 3 plus upon denominator is as it is root 3 pi by 2, so 2 2s are 4 here. So by simplification now here I get this is pi by 2 minus pi by 3, that is pi by 6 minus 3 pi by 4. So therefore the area become 2 pi a square upon 3 minus root 3 a square upon 2. Hence we can complete the topic here.